In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove and install the Moen 1224 cartridge. It fits our two-handle faucets, which require two cartridges. Your situation may vary slightly depending on the faucet model. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the main water supply and open the faucet handle to relieve any water pressure and drain the lines. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a Phillips screwdriver, hex or Allen wrench, adjustable pliers, and safety glasses if desired. Step 2. Remove the trim and the 1224 cartridge. Unthread the set screw to detach the handle. Remove the cartridge nut. Pull out the cartridge. Step 3. Install the new 1224 cartridge. Insert the new cartridge into the valve. Make sure the tab on the cartridge is properly aligned with the notch on the valve. Tighten the cartridge nut by hand. Then use an adjustable wrench to secure it in place. Finish up by reinstalling the handle. Follow the same steps for the other side if necessary. Congratulations, your job is done. Removing and installing the 1224 cartridge is fast and easy with Moen. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.